रिसेंटली मुंबई में नजर आए एक्टर वरुण धवन एक मेंस फेस केयर प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करते हुए। तो जानते हैं वरुण से कि मर्दों के लिए फेस वॉश यूज करना क्यों जरूरी है।
Everyone's face does end up burning if you're standing in the sun. At least for me, because I'm shooting and stuff, or if you have any shows and stuff going on. So what you do need is a face wash which will remove all your dirt and re-energize you if you're having longer days. Since people are not only having their 8-hour days anymore, we're having like 10-hour days or 12-hour days or whatever. You finish this work and you go, you meet your friends, you go out. So every day is like you have to look bright enough, you have to be appealing enough, especially in our field. I mean, our field, as in all of us over here, because we are meeting people. You have to be a people's person for that. So I think you need a face wash. I think the product is a very evolved product, as in it's keeping with today's day and age. Probably this wasn't the demand 10 years back. But in today's day and age, I think we do need a product which has this energy, because the working days have gotten longer.
वरुण धवन भी रखते हैं अपनी स्किन का खास ख्याल। वो कैसे? वो ऐसे।
I think the simplest thing to keep your skin healthy, I think, is one, obviously drink a lot of water in the city that we live in and the type of environment we live in. And I think nowadays you can have a lot of coconut water as well. Otherwise, use a face wash. Primarily, obviously, use Pond's men's face wash. Simple uses, and after you do use a face wash, make sure you do use a moisturizer as well. And my skin is oily, so I do use a oil-free moisturizer.
वरुण के मुताबिक फेस वॉश तब भी काम आता है जब आपकी नींद नहीं पूरी होती।
Much has changed. I think what has changed is probably like pollution levels have gone up. Stuff around us has changed. There are more cars on the road today, so there's anyway your skin is getting damaged by a whole lot of stuff that what used to not be there earlier, you know. Otherwise, I don't know about soft and all this, but I think what does matter is that at the end of the day that you look your best. Like if suppose you have like a 12-hour sleep or like a 10-hour proper sleep, then you will look bright and awake and, you know, energized and well rested. But sometimes you don't get that time. You get only like 6 hours sleep or 4 hours sleep. So then what do? If you have a presentation in the morning, or you have to get to your job, or you have like some proposal, or you have something or the other work the next day. So you still need to look bright on your face and still need to look like you're still at your A game and looking your best. So at that time, I think then you need a face wash. So I think that's why these things are there.
इससे ये पता चलता है कि वरुण धवन आजकल फिल्मों के साथ साथ एंडोसिंग की दुनिया में भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं। एंटरटेनमेंट डेस्क से जयदीप मित्रा, डे एंड नाइट न्यूज।
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।